Today we will learn how to make a ringtone in GarageBand. Open GarageBand and go to Tricks. Then tap on Audio Recorder. Now tap this icon and turn off the toggle switch if it's already on. Tap this icon select the song from music. Then drag and drop the song. Trim the song as per your requirement. Now tap this icon and go to My Songs. Tap and hold My Song and share. Choose ringtone as a format. Now rename your ringtone and export it. So here is your ringtone, and now you can set this ringtone as tender ringtone, as you can see in the video. You can access this ringtone in settings. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Apple Tech.